Hey, how's it going, guys? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use a French press. Now, the French press that I'm going to be using is the Bodum Starbucks collaboration. And by far, this has been my favorite French press I've ever had. I've actually owned multiple French presses, but they've all pretty much broke. Now, I can replace any broken piece that you get on your Bodums, but I decided to get this one. All French presses are going to work basically the same, so we're going to go over all the main pieces, all the components for easy cleaning, and then we're going to show you how to actually use it. So actually, let's talk about the main piece. This glass is actually an insert, so you can actually remove it. If you ever break this glass piece, you can remove it and replace it with a different one. But also you can remove it for easy cleaning. And actually, this Bodum Starbucks collaboration model has been my favorite one out of all of them, just because of the way it protects all the glass. So normally you have a lot of exposed glass, and what that's gonna cause is obviously you're gonna get a lot of dings when you're cleaning it, washing it, and so that can potentially break. With this, every single edge is completely covered, so that's definitely a plus. Let's look at the top piece. So this top piece can also be disassembled, so you can remove this top plastic for cleaning, but you can also remove this bottom stainless steel part, and this obviously breaks down into 3 pieces as well for cleaning. So you can just get a brush, clean it off. So I've had this for over a year and it's still going strong. Probably looking to replace it very soon, but it still works, still very, very good. So they'll definitely last for a long time, but I really like that you can definitely replace your components, so then it just screws back on. So now let's show you how to make a coffee. So first, you're gonna get a whole grain coffee. That's what you need with a French press. You're gonna need a whole grain coffee, and then you're gonna have to grind it as well. For me, I use 14 grams of coffee per cup, but that's just my personal preference. So I just got mine out of the grinder. We're just gonna fill up the French press with your coffee, and then pretty much you're gonna fill it up with hot water, not boiling but almost boiling, just really hot water. And so let me go do that. All right, so I just filled this up with very hot water. You're also gonna want to stir it. I already did that. So you're gonna leave it for about 5 to 10 minutes. I'd say 5 minutes. You're gonna want to cover the coffee, shut it. There's a little lock on the cap, so you just turn it, just depending on what you have, but I have a little lock, and I would just leave it for about 5 to 10 minutes. After about 5-10 minutes, we're gonna come back. All right, it's been about 6 minutes, and pretty much all you're gonna do now is just press the coffee downwards. All that grain is gonna be pressed down, and do it in very slow. You know, a lot of people make the mistake by just pushing it very fast, but what happens when you push it very fast is that you can potentially get a lot of that grain in your water. So you want to just push it very slow, let it filter very slow, and then as you do that, you're just gonna get very good coffee. There we go. So it's pushed all the way down. It's gonna store all the coffee down here, and now you're able to just grab this and pour yourself your coffee, whether you drink coffee that's black or whether you mix it with something. You're ready to use. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, make sure you give it a like and comment down below how you make your own coffee.